In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install fresh animations in Minecraft version 1.21.5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And I'm going to be honest, these animations add amazing visual improvements to your mobs, and we'll walk you through each step to get them working. If you have Minecraft open, go ahead and close that. And then you're going to want to open up your favorite web browser. Mine of choice is actually going to be Chrome. And search up Fresh Animations Minecraft and look for the CurseForge link for it. Open up this page and go ahead and navigate to Files and then look for version 1.21.5. You can search specifically for this version by going to the game version section and clicking on that. But keep in mind, if you're watching this in the future, this will work for that as well. You're just going to want to make sure you choose the version for which version of Minecraft you're playing. Once you find it though, go ahead and click on the three dots right here and hit download file. It'll actually download as a zip folder right up here. Up next, go ahead and hit the back arrow to return back to the main Fresh Animations page and scroll down until you find Entity Model Features and click on this. Hit continue and it's going to take you to this page right here where you're just going to want to hit this download button right here. This will look like this and download as a jar file. Now from here, you're going to need to go ahead and get a mod loader. The one that I recommend is FabricMC.net just because it is the best mod loader. But if you have a specific one that you prefer more, you're more than welcome to use that. To download this, just hit the download button right here. And as you can see, it's going to pop up just like so. Once it downloads, go ahead and click on this to run the installer and go through this entire process. Now go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Once you get in your Minecraft launcher, go ahead and make sure that the Fabric loader is actually on right here, but then head over to the installation section, find Fabric loader, and then hit that little folder on it. It's going to open up a folder that looks like this. Find the mods folder right here and go ahead and open it real quick. And there might be something like Optifine in here already or other mods if you've already downloaded those in the past. Now go ahead and open up your downloads folder and actually just go ahead and drag in Fresh Animations into the texture features, and for this mod specifically, you're also going to need Fabric API. To get this, go back to FabricMC.net and hit download Fabric API. It's going to take you back to CurseForge, and then once again, look for the version of 1.21.5 or onward, depending on what you're on. Click the three dots and then hit download file. Wait a few seconds and it'll start downloading, and then once again, it should look something like this. Now in your downloads folder, just go ahead and drag in Fabric API as well. From here, return back to the Minecraft launcher and go ahead and launch it with the Fabric loader. So make sure Fabric loader is on right here and hit play. Hit this little checkbox and then hit play again. Once you get loaded into Minecraft using that Fabric launcher, go ahead and head to options and then find resource packs. In this resource pack, you're going to want to find the open pack folder button in the bottom left. Click on that right here and it's going to open up this folder. And then from here, once again, navigate back to your downloads, find the Fresh Animations zip folder this time, and go ahead and drag it in here. Go back into Minecraft and you should see it right here. Click on this little arrow to move it over to selected and then hit done. It'll load up again, but now when you go into a Minecraft world, it'll have those updated graphics. Let's see if there's any mobs around here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a good day.